Hello there. Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive into the exciting world of ETF investing. In just 5 minutes, we'll explore what ETFs are, their advantages, how to get started, and some tips for success. Let's get started. First, what exactly are ETFs? Well, an ETF, or exchange traded fund, is a type of investment fund that combines the features of stocks and mutual funds. It's a basket of assets, such as stocks, bonds, or commodities, that trades on an exchange just like a single stock. Advantages of ETF investing. Diversification. ETFs offer a simple way to diversify your investments. You can buy one ETF that represents a whole market or sector, spreading your risk. Liquidity. ETFs are highly liquid, meaning you can buy and sell them throughout the trading day at market prices. This flexibility is a huge plus. Lower costs. ETFs have lower expense ratios compared to mutual funds, making them cost-effective for long-term investing. Transparency. ETFs provide transparency. You can see exactly what assets the ETF holds, promoting trust and informed decisions. Getting started with ETF investing. Ready to get started with ETF investing? Here's how. Research. Begin by researching the different ETFs available. Consider your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Select a broker. You'll need a brokerage account to trade ETFs. Choose a reputable broker with commission-free ETF trading and an easy-to-use platform. Diversify. Diversification is key. Build a portfolio of ETFs across various asset classes, regions, and sectors to spread risk. Monitor and rebalance. Regularly review and adjust your portfolio to keep it aligned with your goals. Tips for success. Now, here are some tips for successful ETF investing. Stay informed. Stay updated on market news and ETF performance to make informed decisions. Avoid overtrading. ETFs are designed for long-term investing. Avoid excessive trading to minimize costs and taxes. Consider dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount regularly to reduce the impact of market volatility. Tax efficiency. ETFs are often tax efficient. Consult a tax professional to optimize your tax strategy. In conclusion, ETF investing is a powerful tool for building a diversified and cost-effective investment portfolio. Their advantages, like diversification, liquidity, lower costs, and transparency, make them an appealing choice for investors of all levels. Remember, success in ETF investing requires discipline, patience, and a long-term perspective. So, get out there and start exploring the world of ETFs to achieve your financial goals. Happy investing! Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more informative content on finance and investing. See you next time.